welcome to my channel.
At Levera Pond, one can observe the red, white, and black mangroves. Red mangroves can be found closest to the water's edge, be it coastal or estuarine habitat. They can be identified by their broad, waxy green leaves and their very noticeable prop roots, which are vital for their stability and oxygen uptake. On the other hand, the black mangroves have huge dark trunks with small oblong leaves, usually having salt crystals deposited on the surface. Additionally, at the base of black mangroves, a network of snorkel-like roots called pneumatophores can be observed spreading outwards. Those adaptations are quite beneficial for oxygen uptake, as mangroves generally grow in oxygen-poor soil. White mangroves are generally observed by its dull, small rounded leaves, which are typically rough around the edges.
The Levera National Park is home to Grenada's only Ramsar site. A Ramsar site is an area of wetlands designated to be of international importance, resulting from its biodiversity. It is the largest area of mangroves in Grenada, measuring in at 25 acres, with 23 acres consisting of brackish water.
Oh dear. Swally biscuit in the wilderness. Mid-scene is when he said Sam's inside it.
The Levera National Park is prime habitat for a variety of animal species, from our very own Grenada bank tree boa to world wanderers like the magnificent frigate bird, who spends most of their life soaring over the ocean, but occasionally comes to the lake for a drink of fresh water without actually landing on the surface. You can always hear the calls of the common gallinos and American coots from the background, or see a pied-billed grebe pruning on the water surface. The brackish water support a variety of fish species, from thousands of tilapias to snooks and tarpons as big as a man. It is not uncommon to see a fisherman on a makeshift raft. At any time of year, it's a good boarding site. From the beautiful red ruddy ducks to nesting green herons in the canopy, as well as the migratory warblers and other songbirds, or the elusive black-whiskered vireo singing from the mangrove branches.
Island style. That's a wrap. Make sure it is monked properly. If you and the kayak might end up in the lake. Okay. Yes. I go there.